Well, hello, my YouTube friends. I have for you guys today an unboxing. I purchased these on eBay, or actually through an eBay seller, but I contacted her on Instagram. And I will actually give you the information link to her Instagram down below. These are so cute. 100 millimeter pumps. Very comfortable, very roomy, leopard print. And what sold them for me was the red heart in the toe box area. I had been looking for something super cute like this, easy to wear. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this fabulous buy, Louboutin pumps. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will make another video and show you guys what they look like on. Bye guys.